Today, we're going to talk about walking your dog and not injuring your shoulder. Many times people have come to me with a shoulder injury because when they're walking their dog's pulling them and they can't get the right mechanics and yada, yada, yada. And we'll talk about all that coming up. This is Ruby. Ruby. I'm Lisa Ann McCall and Posture's my thing. And today we're going to talk about how to walk your dog and not hurt your shoulder, your back, your knee, nothing. Walking a dog causes a lot of pain for people in their shoulders. I have seen a lot of shoulder injuries. And the first thing I'll tell you is take your dog to you and your dog to get some lessons, because I'm telling you, it's more for you than it is the dog when you get good lessons on how to walk your dog. But let's talk about the mechanics. Here it is. Most people are walking and they're being pulled. So we'll demonstrate this in a second, but I want you to get the idea that your shoulders stay square, your hips stay square, your elbows are going to be slightly behind your body, not tied in. So sometimes it's good to hold a leash kind of like this, so that if they pull me, if they pull real hard, I got two hands here, instead of me just doing this. So my hands, I'm walking along, and then my hips are back a little. So we're gonna start walking now, all right? And we're gonna go, let's go. And I'm gonna let her pull me. Go girl, let's go. So say she's pulling me a little and I'm doing this. This is obvious I don't have control and that my shoulder's real vulnerable, all right? But if I get up here and I am here and I'm pulling a little back, and if she wants to go over there and I change, but I have my hand like this, I'm free, I'm not in my sights and my hips aren't forward. I'm walking along and she's pulling and I'm holding my place. Now, if I want to go with her, that's fine. But if I go with her, I go as a whole body, not as a shoulder and an arm. So a lot of times what'll happen, come on girl, if she sees a squirrel, she's gonna pop me and she's gonna wanna go. But if I've got this going on and I've got this catch here where my elbow is the power, and I got this other thing here just to help me, then I'm good. And then on my walk, I'm really accelerating from the push off. And if she's walking really fast, which she's not right now, but if she was, and I'm like this, I've lost it all. I've lost everything when my elbows are out in front of me and I'm not in control. So, it's not really hard to do, it's just something you have to stay involved in the whole time. So make sure that your pup is not pulling you. And like you would if you were in a tug-of-war, in tug-of-war you're gonna lose when you're like this, you're gonna win when you're like this. So, win. Win with your dog.